Hi, it's Chelsea Jerusalem and Nick Jerusalem with the Jerusalem's Happy Home Team. And today we are going over where we are at right now in the real estate market. So we're hitting the end of January and in 2020, and it's like, what's going on here? Because this is definitely not on trend with what we typically see right now.
That's
So
right.
we're feeling like the spring market has already sprung, and it sprung back in December.
That's right.
So what the heck?
Yeah. So, kind of give you an idea of what's going on right now. This is kind of looking in King County. So you can see that over the last year's rate of sales, that we usually hit a peak in the spring, it drops off through the fall and rebounds through the holidays. Well, it usually never gets anywhere near this level of rate of sales. Come December, November, it's half of that typically. So we're kind of started out the year on par with spring's sales levels. Inventory is down 40% year over year. We're already seeing multiple offers and bidding wars kind of returning to the scene again. So things like offer review periods where people put a home on the market and don't review offers right away. The idea being that maybe a bunch of people will see it over the weekend and they can have a big stack of offers. So like right now, there's just under 2,100 homes for sale in King County. Over 200 of those have offer reviews. So about 10%. So something we'll be watching to see how that changes throughout the year.
Yeah, it's definitely very sub-market specific. Some areas don't know how to deal with an offer review period, and some areas absolutely expect one. So it
That's right.
definitely is market by market on that one.
Yeah. And then kind of showing, just looking back over the last 6 years, this kind of shows what we were saying, like December was on par with spring for 2019, whereas historically you see that the spring market is usually half of where the end of the year, the rate of sales are ending up about half of where they are in the spring.
So we never went down in our rate of sales like we normally do. So we came out of the gate running, and to go along with that, we've got some positive press that's really boosting consumer confidence. So
Yeah.
we tend to move in a bit of a herd mentality in the Puget Sound region, and so this positive press is generally going to be a self-fulfilling prophecy, is what
Yeah.
we've seen in the past. So we've got really huge confidence with the home builders, seeing that when they build a house, it's going to sell. So they're very, very happy to keep on doing that in our area.
Yeah.
This house right here that shows up on the article here actually showed up for a client of mine, and it was via picture, a really disturbingly trashed house,
Yeah.
and apparently got 17 offers. So my client was not one of the 17 that was interested in that one, but
yeah. And then other positive press. I mean, this kind of is chumming the waters as far as helping people feel really confident about, okay, it's a good time to get back in the market. Nationwide, you have inventory dipping and driving prices up. This article here, 6.8 million homeowners can afford to cut their payments and refinance. So rates are at 3-month lows, which is helping affordability both from refinancing and also new purchases. Kind of looking at the job outlook right now. So you have kind of the greater Seattle, Tacoma, Bellevue area, record low unemployment, 134,000 jobs added last year.
And Dow is at our all-time high, so the stock market's looking amazing. So people's investment portfolios are doing really great, so that's boosting confidence as well. And people feeling like their retirement's in a good place, and they can maybe tap into that and use it towards investing in other places. Also, interest rates are hovering down near historic lows, all-time historic lows. So getting a 3.5 year on a fixed rate, 3-year fixed rate mortgage is amazing. So this is definitely an opportunity that people are taking advantage of right now.
Yeah, people don't want to miss on that affordability.
No, if you've been locking for that for 30 years, that's a long-term plan right there.
Yeah. So what does all this mean? So it really just depends if you're selling, you're buying, you're investing. So we have a lot of tools to help put together a strategy for you specifically. For instance, we can see real time how many buyers would be looking for a home like yours. We can also provide a very detailed home value analysis that more accurate than like an automated estimate would be. So we have all the tools, and so we're here to help help you succeed in 2020. So just call, text, visit us online.
HappyHomeTeam.com. Thanks for tuning in.